So hello guys, welcome back to my new video, and I am back with another new video of Royal Enfield Meteor 350. So I'm gonna review this today. So as you can see, I've got the delivery and you have seen the delivery video. So this is in brown color, Supernova, and I got the delivery in 1 month and 10 days, I guess. 1 or 2 day can be up down. So this is the bike. So now let me go a little front and show it to you. So I went in a lot of excitement outside, and there was a lot of sunlight, so I came inside in the parking. So this is the bike, and this is a speedometer. Let me turn it on and show it to you. So this is the navigation system, which you can connect through your Bluetooth with the app, and it will show you the turn by turn navigation. It's also called a stripper, and this is the MID, multi information display. So here they'll show time, gear, eco gear mode, and petrol, odometer also. So if you press this button, so you can toggle through the trip A and trip B. So my bike has currently ridden 1533 kilometers. The first service was done correctly at 500 kilometers itself. So I've made the video, but I'm feeling so, what do we say, that काफ़ी आलस आ रहा है मेरे को वीडियो बनाने में. बिना बना तो लिया है पर अपलोड करने में और एडिट करने में. So this is the bike, and let me tell you some key features. So this thing has LED ring light at the front with projector, not projector, with halogen lights. So the Thunderbird used to have the projector light, and it has this one around that projector light. So it was really small. This one has a big ring, as you can see. This is the disc brake with Vibra brake calipers. So this bike looks huge with the windshield and the backrest, but if you remove it, it will look like Thunderbird only. So the front tire is 100 by 90, 19 inches, and these are the machine cut alloy wheels. And you can see there's a reflector here. So it has LED rings only at the front and back, and the indicators are halogen itself, but the rear brake light is LED. So you can see a lot of chrome in this variant. So this is to protect your leg from heat, and this is the Royal Enfield badge, which looks quite good, and this is really eye catchy on roads. So people ask you which Royal Enfield is this, which bike is this. So if you buy this, you are going to grab a lot of attention. So you can see this is the 350cc engine, 349cc engine, which produces 20.2 bhp with 27 Newton meters of torque. So they have reduced 1 Newton meter torque, but they have increased the bhp by 0.6 or 7. So these are the seats. So the seats are quite comfortable, so you can ride continuously 800-900 kilometers without any rest or without any fatigue. So you don't need to take any rest also. So the back seat is quite small, so you get a little bit of pain. And this is the backrest, is very useful. This is the tail light with the LEDs, and both indicators are halogen. So you can see the rear tire is very huge, 140 section, 140 by 70, 17 inches. So this is more bigger than the width is more bigger than the Interceptor or Continental GT. You can see the stock exhaust pipe and bent pipe, and Vibra caliber logo at the front and at the rear. So the backrest also has the Royal Enfield logo in it. You can say Sari guard with footrest, and the telescopic suspension at the rear. You can see the Meteor written here, Meteor 350. So this is the gear pedal. So this was the button which I was talking about to toggle the MID. So the big change they have done in this is the engine start and stop button in master cylinder shape they have turned it into cylindrical. This is for the parking lights. That's the good thing which they have done. This is for your high beam, low beam and pass switch. This is for indicators and this is for your horn. And this is the fuel lid. So if you open this, you can keep your key inside and open it. So this is how the bike looks. So the top speed is 130 if you pull it hard, or 120 is the electronically adjusted top speed. You can easily pull this bike from 4th gear if you are in 30 km/h speed also, without any problem, without the bike knocking. And that's a very good thing for city riding, or in highways you meet with traffic and all. So these are the mirrors, and this bike has zero vibrations, so you can look at the mirror and you can see what's coming behind, not like the classic which vibrates a lot. So now let me show you the engine exhaust note. So this is how you turn it on. So let me show you the headlight first. So I have turned on the indicator. Now I've turned on the parking lights, so you can see the headlight is in the low beam right now and the indicators are glowing. So I'll show you the rear ring also, the LED ring which I was talking about. So this one is the LED ring which I was talking about. You can see this is the exhaust note of the bike when stable. Let me give it a rev. You can see the mirrors don't vibrate at all. Oh, backfire. So guys, this was for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to give it a like, share and subscribe the channel. This helps me a lot, and we are closely about to reach 1000 subscribers, so please make me do that. And I always appreciate your love and support towards me, and I'll keep on giving new videos to you all, and you keep supporting me. Thank you. So that's all for today's video. Keep growing, keep safe. Thank you. Goodbye.